Okay, we're going to work through a difficult problem today. Make sure you have your calculator. I'll do the best I can to explain it to you. If you have any questions, make sure you let me know at the end. A punch bowl is the shape of a perfect half sphere. So you know it's like taking a sphere and cutting it in half. The punch bowl holds 475 cubic inches of water when it's full. What is its diameter? So here's what we need to know. We're going to be working through this with some question help. Like I said, I'll do the best I can to explain, and we'll see how we do here. Make sure you have your calculator with you. So find the diameter of a punch bowl. First, find the radius of the complete sphere by using the formula for the volume of a sphere. So here is our formula. So consider the formula for a complete sphere with 2 times the volume of half the sphere. So we know that the punch bowl holds 475 cubic inches, but the punch bowl is only half of a sphere. It's like they took a sphere and cut it in half. So we have to take 2 times that number. So 2 times 475, and my calculator is 950. That's the easy part. Here we go. To find the radius of the complete sphere, substitute the value of V, which is 950, in the formula for the volume of the sphere. So here we have it. V is 950. 4/3 times pi times r cubed. So what we need to do is figure out what r equals. In order to figure out r, we need to do a few things. The first thing I would suggest you do is take each side of this equation times 3/4. If I put 3/4 here, it's going to cross this whole thing off. So now I'm left with now I'm left with pi r cubed. If I take 950 times 3/4, I get 712.5. Now that's r cubed. We have to, and pi on this side, so we have to divide by pi. So I took 712.5 and I divided it by pi. And when I did that, I got 226.7957. It goes on and on and on. I have to find the cube root of that. So I have I'm just going to have you plug this into your calculator and hopefully it will help you. Take 712.5 divided by pi, 3.14. Now if you got the same thing I got, you got 226.7957939. That's going to equal r cubed. We need to find r. So we have to take the cubed root of that number. And there's a function on your calculator to do that. Mine has like a little caret top or a little arrow pointing up, and it's the cubed root. And when I do that, I get 6.09. Oh boy. Well, it is what it is. And then 6.09 times 2 will give me the diameter, and the diameter is going to be 12. Now, I'm not sure, maybe they're looking for 12 here, but the diameter is going to be 12 because 6.09, oh, they wanted me to round it. My bad. I'm sorry. Sorry about that. So I was putting in 6.09 and it should have been 6 because they said to type a whole number, but I wasn't reading that. So hopefully you read the directions. And then the diameter is 2 times the radius. So 2 times 6 is 12. The diameter of the punch bowl is 12. If you ever find yourself in a situation in which you need to know the diameter of a punch bowl when you're at a party, I hope you remember this.